Hello and welcome all. Today we are going to explain how the area of the core of the transformer is directly connected to the applied voltage. If we apply more voltage to this transformer, then the core size has to be big. How we can prove that? So, as per the Faraday's equation, voltage is equal to N into d phi by dt. If we expand this equation, we are putting the n here. We can expand the d phi by dt as AC into d phi by dt. AC is the area of the core. This is the area of the core. Now we have expanded d phi by dt as AC into d. This is Bm by dt. That means the maximum flux density by dt. Dm means the storage capacity of a particular material. If ferrite is used, it can store 0.2 Tesla of flux, maximum flux. If the area of the material is 1 meter square, then it can store a flux of 0.2 Tesla. If we increase the area, if we increase from 1 meter to 2 meter, then more flux can be stored. If we increase the voltage, the rate of change of flux will increase. Is in the same 1 second, more flux will be generated in this core. So the area has to be big enough to handle that flux. Then only it can manage that voltage. Otherwise, the core will be saturated and it will not show the property of inductance. In order to have the property of inductance, the core size has to be. So we can prove this by this equation. Faraday's law says that if the magnetic material cores, if you use ferrite core and if the voltage is more, the only way to increase is to increase the area of the core. If the material is ferrite and if the number of turns are same, the only way to handle more flux is to increase the area. So the core size is related to voltage. Now we also consider what happens when more current flows through it. When will more current flow through this? If the number of turns is the same and the core material is the same, the inductance of the primary is same. So in order to pass more current, the input voltage has to be high. Then only more current will flow through this. So in order to flow more current, the input voltage has to be high. That is what is we said here. If the voltage is high, more current flows through this, then more flux will be generated in this. So one chance is to increase the voltage. At that time we have to increase the area of the core. If you reduce the number of turns, if we reduce the number of turns, then the inductance will reduce. But as the number of turns reduce, the MMF will reduce. How? So in order to current more pass through this coil, if we reduce the number of turns, the inductance will reduce. If the inductance will reduce, the H is equal to Ni into L. As if the number of turns reduce, the magnetic field reduce. The magnetic field produced by the coil reduces. If the magnetic field reduces, that means the H reduces. H reduces means the flux will reduce. Even if more current flows through it, as the number of turns is less now, the flux generated will not be more. Even if the current increases, the core can handle that. The core material is the same, and if we want to apply more voltage, the only way is to increase the area of the core. That is what is called the core size is related to voltage rather than current.